What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So we have a new update rolling out for OnePlus 9 series, and this time it's OxygenOS Open Beta 3 version C.36. If you guys have seen a video of ColorOS 12 stable build that also had the similar build number, which was C.36, and the same build number can be seen on this version of OxygenOS, but we still don't have any kind of confirmation whether it's a stable build. I personally don't think it's a stable build, because on stable builds we generally get full OTA update, and here this update is somewhere around 700 MB. The update is being rolled out in batches, so it might take some time to receive it on your device. As soon as I get the files, I'll update them in the description below. After that you can perform a local upgrade. Let me show you the software information by going to About section. Here you can see Android version is Android 12 and the security patch is 5th November 2021 and build number says C.36. And also guys, thank you so much for completing the like target of 300 likes on our previous video. Let's keep the same like target. And as always, we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, so it's a humble request to consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Before talking about the changelogs, these are the benchmark results on this latest update, wherein single core have scored 897 and multi-core have scored 3340. With Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 7,53,768. And if you take a look at the changelogs, in this list, OnePlus haven't mentioned any kind of fixes over the previous update. They have given all the changelogs which comes with the OxygenOS 12. For example, system, changes done in the dark mode, later few add-ons in the shelf, work-life balance have been updated, new gallery, and features of Canvas AOD. And we used to see such changelog list whenever there is a stable update. So as said, I'm not sure about this update because still we don't have any information about the same update on OnePlus forum. So let's consider it as OxygenOS 12 Open Beta 3. So you guys let me know in the comment section below what all issues you guys have been facing on the previous open betas based on OxygenOS 12. We'll try to cover all those issues in a review video. So I'll be using my OnePlus 9 as a daily driver for a day or two for a complete review on this particular build of OxygenOS 12. And talking about the changelogs, here you can see under system this says optimized desktop icon with improved texture by using a design inspired by brand new material and uniting lights and layers. And we have already seen these on previous builds of open beta. And after that they say dark mode now supports 3 adjustable levels, bringing more personalized and comfortable user experience. And this add-on we have seen from the day 1, where you can adjust the dark mode styles between enhanced, medium and gentle. Basically OnePlus haven't provided us any information about changes done over the previous update. So there's nothing much to cover in this video, because the changes what OnePlus have mentioned, these are the add-ons done to OxygenOS 12. We'll wait for OnePlus official confirmation about this update, and if I find anything new or the improvements over the previous update, then I'll update you guys in the review video. With the initial look, I did not find any kind of changes, but yes, overall improvements can be seen while using the device. So stability, battery part and other stuff will be covered in the review video. So guys, this was a quick look on the latest build of OxygenOS 12 for OnePlus 9 series. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.